We're excited that manufacturing has started on the new combo squares. And right now, most of the work is focused on making the stainless steel blades. We start by laser cutting the blades out of big sheets of stainless steel. Following the laser cutting, any small burrs are cleaned up, and the blades are sent through a flattener to, well, you guessed it, flatten the steel. The flattened parts are then loaded up in a CNC mill for precision milling. In a 3-step cycle, the edges of the blade, scribing holes, and center groove are finely milled to keep the tool within a tight tolerance. After the blades are blasted with a smooth, satin finish, they get laser engraved with high contrast scale markings. Those markings are then checked on our state-of-the-art video optic system to ensure accuracy. Meanwhile, back at the CNC mill, we're beginning to work on the combo square bodies, which are milled out of solid blocks of high-quality aluminum. When the milling cycle is complete, the parts are inspected for accuracy by the machinist. Work on the combination squares and double squares will ramp up over the next few weeks, so stay tuned for more behind-the-scenes action on the next One Time Tool production update.